Hello my dear friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine and I hope you all are enjoying your life. Assalamu alaikum, my name is Salman and today I am going to tell you the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. This is a really common question, and like each and every student of biology should know the answer of this question, like what is the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. So let's explain the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell is a cell in which there is a no nuclear membrane, okay, and in eukaryotic cell there is a nucleus and which is surrounded by nuclear membrane. In prokaryotic cell there is a structure like nucleus, but it is not called nucleus, it is called nucleoid, and inside nucleoid there are circular chromosome. The main difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell is also like that, like in prokaryotic cell there are chromosomes which are in circular shape, but in eukaryotic cell there are multiple chromosomes and they are linear. And in prokaryotic cell there are chromosomes but they are not multiple, they are single, like only single chromosome, only one chromosome. That's why prokaryotic cell are also called haploid cell, and you can say the eukaryotic cell is called diploid cell because in diploid cell there are multiple chromosomes, not single chromosome, and they are linear. And the other difference is that like in eukaryotic cell all those membrane bonded organelles, like for example mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, they are present in eukaryotic cell but they are absent in prokaryotic cell. Like in prokaryotic cell all those organelles are present who are non-membranous, like for example ribosome is non-membranous, so we can say that ribosome is present in prokaryotic cell. And there are a difference between ribosome present in eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. The ribosome present in prokaryotic cell are 70s, and the ribosome which are present in eukaryotic cell are 80s. So these are the difference, and I hope you got something new from this. And what are the examples of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? Prokaryotic cell is simple bacteria. Bacteria is prokaryotic. And like bacteria is unicellular, like it is made up of single cells. We can say that bacteria is prokaryotic. And like eukaryotic cell are those like they are multicellular and they have you can say a complex structure. Like for example, if we are humans, so we are made up of eukaryotic cells, you can say like this. And there are a lot of differences, like we can say the way they reproduce, the way they generate you can say ATP, the way like in which the prokaryotic cell produce energy, they are different from the way in which eukaryotic cell generate energy. Like in eukaryotic cell there is a mitochondria, and mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell, so mitochondria is responsible for energy generation. But in prokaryotic cell there is no mitochondria, as I told you, like bacteria is like mitochondria is membranous bounded, so like it is absent in prokaryotic. So what is responsible for the energy generation? There is a specific area which is called mesosome. Mesosome is simple, the invagination occur in the cell membrane, like inward to the cell. So it is responsible for energy generation, and like the way in which they reproduce is most different from the eukaryotic cell. Like mesosome are responsible for the cell division, but in eukaryotic cell the chromosomes and the nucleus is responsible for the cell division. And like the way in which they reproduce is really complex, like I'm talking about eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell reproduced by mitosis or either meiosis, but the prokaryotic cell reproduced by simple binary fission, or you can say multiple fission. So these are the difference, and I hope you got something. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share my videos. Thank you so much.